Hello viewers, welcome to Ronnie Node Sciences. In this video we are going to know some facts about the novel coronavirus 2019, as this is the greatest disease of this era. This virus spread through the air and by touch using the Power 3D medical animation. This video covers what is a pandemic, how this coronavirus is spreading, and how the novel coronavirus attacks the body, and various recommended precautions to take for protecting against epidemics. Pandemics indicate outbreaks of disease that spread to cover an entire region or world. A pandemic can result to massive loss of life, and in the last 100 years there have been 4 global pandemics. The worst were the 1918 influenza pandemic, resulting in an estimated 50 to 100 millions of deaths. While no global pandemic has been born from family of coronavirus, 2 regional epidemics have resulted from this family of viruses. They include SARS or Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, or MERS or Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, from 2001 to 2003 and 2012 to 2015 respectively, and resulted in over 1500 deaths. Much is yet to be known about the 2019 novel coronavirus. An early study of 99 infected and showed the high mortality, 11% similar to SARS, and ICU rates of 23%. An earlier study described the virus pathology with an 8 days incubation period of a week of infection followed by potential escalation to hospitalization and intensive care over another 8 to 10 days. Another 8 to 10 days for this disease condition. Other indication put the mortality rate closer to 4%. The virus has, as of February 6, over 40,000 confirmed cases in China alone, almost 200 cases in over 25 other countries. However, Dr. Jonathan Reed from the United Kingdom believes that the number of actual cases is far greater and has estimated between 170 to 300,000 by February 9. This is because the symptom can be mild and escape reporting and testing, what is more in stark contrast to SARS. Mechanism of action of coronavirus. The 2019 novel coronavirus is a newly discovered strain from coronavirus family that cause some respiratory diseases. Humans have long been infected by coronavirus, as it is one of those responsible for common cold. It is a very contagious viral infection spread through inhalation. Viral infection spread through inhalation or ingestion of viral droplets. The structure of coronavirus has multiple parts. Inside the virus lies the genetic encoding that allows the virus to hijack human cells and turn them into virus factories. A protein encapsulated the genetic material known as the viral envelope on the surface of viral RNA and N proteins. The structure of 2019 novel coronavirus is mutation. The large S glycoprotein Caesar used by the virus to gain entry to human cells. They most likely attach to angiotensin converting enzyme 2 receptors on the cell membrane, allowing the virus entry. The exact mechanism for this is not known. Most likely, as shown here, the human cell ingests the virus in a process known as endocytosis. Once inside the cytoplasm, the endosome opens to reveal the virus's genetic material, a single-stranded RNA. The virus hijacks the cell machinery to replicate the RNA in N proteins and uses the endoplasmic reticulum to form its M proteins, outer layer, and all important S proteins. After replication of virus is carried by the Golgi body out of the cell in a process known as exocytosis so that it can infect other cells. Meanwhile, the stress of viral production on the endoplasmic reticulum eventually leads to apoptosis or cell death. However, scientists in China have sequenced the genome while others have used the sequencing to visualize the structure. There is currently no cure. The treatment is only supportive care, isolation, or we can say social distancing. So stay home, be safe, and thanks for watching this video.